Django optional URL parameters. I have a Django URL like this. Views.py. The problem is that I want the project underscore it parameter to be optional. I want /project underscore config / and /project underscore config / 12345 abs / to be equally valid URL patterns, so that if project underscore it is passed, then I can use it. As it stands at the moment, I get a 404 when I access the URL without the project underscore it parameter.
There are several approaches. One is to use a non-capturing group in the regex column, P, title, azaz+/, making a regex Django URL token optional. Another, easier to follow way is to have multiple rules that matches your needs, all pointing to the same view. Keep in mind that in your view you'll also need to set a default for the optional URL parameter, or you'll get an error.
Django is greater than 2.0 version. The approach is essentially identical with the one given in UG2meter's answer. Affected, however, is the syntax. Using path, you can also pass extra arguments to a view with the optional argument quargs that is of type dict. In this case your view would not need a default for the attribute project underscore it. For how this is done in the most recent Django version, see the official docs about URL dispatching.
You can use nested routes. Django 1.8. Django equals 1.8. This is a lot more dry. Say you wanted to rename the product quarg to product underscore it, you only have to change line 4, and it will affect the below URLs. Edit it for Django 1.8 and above.
Even simpler is to use the A vertical bar B means A or B, so in your case it would be one or more word characters, \W plus, or nothing. So it would look like
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.